Hello friends, welcome to Happy Kitchen. Today we are going to make tomato rasam. It's an instant recipe without dal. So please go through this video fully. It's a very healthy recipe also. So let us start. Firstly, we'll take one big juicy tomato as shown in the video. I'll cut off the sides and chop it into small pieces and keep it aside. This will add extra texture to our rasam. So chop it into small pieces and keep it aside. Now we will take 2 tablespoons of tamarind and soak it in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep it aside. I have taken 3 to 4 garlic pods and I'll chop it into small pieces and keep it aside. You can take more also. It will really add a good texture to the tomato rasam. Now let us make the tomato mixture. Take one big tomato. Add 4 to 5 garlic pods, or you can add more also. It really tastes very good. 1 chili. Half a tablespoon of pepper. Half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of methi, and you can add ginger also. Half inch ginger also you can add and grind it into a smooth paste as shown in the video. Now let's take a pan, heat some oil and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and our chopped tomato and garlic which we had kept ready. Saute for 1 minute. Now add few curry leaves and saute for 1 minute. It really gives a very good taste to the rasam if you add curry leaves firstly only. After 1 to 2 minutes, we will add the tomato paste which we grinded and kept ready. Now we'll be adding the tamarind water. Do as shown in the video. I'm adding 2 big bowls of water and let it boil. After that I'll be adding 1 tablespoon salt, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of homemade rasam powder which I'll be posting very soon. After adding all this, give it a very nice mix and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. And lastly, we'll be adding a bunch of coriander leaves as shown in the video. And that's all friends, our tasty, yummy, delicious and healthy tomato rasam is ready to relish. Tomato rasam has many health benefits. It's a very best remedy for indigestion, very best remedy for cold, cough. So please do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and comment on my video and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. I'll meet you with another such video. Okay friends, bye bye. Take care.